Hello. You have this error in PlayStation 5. Okay. Okay. Here have a solution step by step. Okay, for the solve this problem in Rockstar. Okay. The first step. Okay, we are going to the PlayStation 5 here. Okay. And we are going to the network. Okay, and here in the network you check your network. Okay, if your network is connected. Okay, it's active. Okay, we are going to the system. Okay, and you go to the cache. Okay, and you clear cache the PlayStation 5. Okay, and the the three step. Okay, we are going to the Rockstar. Okay, the GTA 5. Okay, and you uninstall and install the game. Okay, if not work the two steps. Okay, and this is a solution for uh, this error. Okay, and bye bye.